Number 3, draw one card from the standard deck and roll one die. We want to find the probability of getting a heart. So the probability of heart multiplied by the probability of rolling a prime number. The probability of heart, there's 4 suits. Well, there's 13 cards in each suit, so 1350 seconds, but we know it's going to be the same as 1/4. 1/4 of the cards are hearts. I feel the need to look at my sample space for a die again, because I don't want to rush and overlook anything. The most common error here would be to grab 1 as a prime number, but of course 2 is the smallest prime number. Primes have 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Well, 1 only has 1 factor. 2 is prime, 3 is prime, and of course 5 is prime. So half of the numbers on a die are prime, and so the probability of getting a heart and then a prime and then rolling a prime number would be 1/8. 1/4 of the time you would get a heart, and then half of that fourth, half of those times you'll get lucky and roll a prime on the die. Find the probability of having 3 girls as children, assuming the probability of having a girl is equal to the probability of having a boy. Well, if these probabilities are equal, then the probability of a girl equals 1/2, and the probability of a boy equals 1/2. But if you're finding the probability of having girl, 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 it's equal to the probability of having a girl multiplied by the probability of having a girl multiplied by the probability of having a girl. So half of half of half, or 1/8. The probability of rain, probability that it will rain, is 3/4. Where would that be? Seattle or someplace like that. And the probability of forgetting your umbrella, probability of no umbrella, is 2/3. Find the probability of rain and having your umbrella. So you have to be careful here. You have to realize that they asked us for the probability of rain, which we know directly, 3/4. But having your umbrella, we have to calculate indirectly using the idea of complements. If there's a 2/3 chance I will not have my umbrella, there must be a 1/3 chance of having my umbrella. If I'm going to forget it 2/3 of the time, I'll remember it 1/3 of the time. So that's the idea of complements, which we explored early in this unit. And I could multiply right now, but I see a common factor of 3, so I'll simplify this. And the probability that it will rain and you will have your umbrella is a 1/4 probability.